It should work. The landing! The landing is so giddy. So close.
Banging rocks together here, we know how to put a man back together. So that's a complete reassembly. New vitals, spit shine on the old ones, plus we're scooping out tumors.
Oh.
You want to be paying us.
That does, if that actually works, then that does sound like one way to get rid of a tumor. So, I mean, I don't know if you still... I suppose back then, what year was that? Whatever year? They probably didn't have much any other ways to get rid of a tumor. Maybe? I don't know how far they were back then. But, so, that means that you have two options. You have the chance of dying because of the tumor. Or the other option is you have a chance of maybe dying because of, you know, having your body being taken apart. But there's also a chance that you'll survive and be tumor-free after that. So, there's higher chances of being tumor-free and alive if you go with Aperture Sciences. Aperture Laboratories, whatever. Yeah. It could go wrong, but it's more likely to go wrong if you just don't do it. So, you should do it. I mean, you just gotta believe. Plus $120, yeah, and now 60. Only 120 if you get someone else to join the test.